So the first thing you need to do is to download Goose. Goose is a really cool open source project that allows you to have an LLM, which also supports MCP-Ui. So you can download it, and once you download it, you need to configure an LLM to use. But thankfully, they're giving $10 for free if you use one of their providers. So you will get to the home screen and it will ask you to select a provider. And the provider that you need to select in this case is, let me see where it is Tetrate Agent Router, and you get about $10. So you can use most of the common models. So I'm choosing GPT 4.1. Now, the second thing that you need to do is you need to add your MCP-Ui enabled server. Now, this server, I'm going to share the link in the description. It is my MCP-Ui shop that I am launching today. So you can actually buy these t-shirts using mcpui.shop. You add the description of the endpoint for the MCP server is HTTP. You give it a name and a cool description so it knows how to use it. And now we can save the changes here, make sure that is enabled there. And the next thing that you need to do is just chat to Goose and ask it, show me t-shirts from all the MCP-Ui shop. Cool. So these are the t-shirts that we have available. We have the t-shirt that I'm wearing, which is called Run MCP. We also have a nice MCP-Ui, was created with banana, the nano banana UI picture editing that came out from Google. So it's a pretty good design. And also we have a Postman one. I love this t-shirt. I have it. So if you want a Postman themed t-shirt, you can also buy. Now I want to see details of this one. So let me ask it, show me details of the MCP t-shirt. Okay, so we have options L, M, let's say I want an S, and this is a pretty good one. Now I can buy now, and just a tip for those who are watching this and stayed until the end, try asking the LLM for a discount and let me know how it goes. But in this case, I'm gonna go to the checkout and it's gonna take me to Shopify. Of course, can add the discount code here, which is secret. You can ask the LLM. It might give it to you. There are only 3 available. And you can select your shipping options and you will be getting this amazing t-shirt delivered to you. So hope you enjoy this demo of MCP-Ui with Goose. And let me know if you get some nice t-shirts. Send me some pictures.